I wasn't ready to go on the stream just yet. All right, so this stream's gonna be a little different. Let me turn down the music a little bit. Actually, let me just pause the music. Just pause it completely. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to the stream. So like I was saying, this stream is different because um I have to fix my heart monitor. It's not on right. Okay. So, anyway, what's up? Welcome to the show. My name is Autumn, as you can see. Autumnizhurr. I'm a three-time heart surgery patient, and I have been diagnosed with WPW, also known as Wolff Parkinson's White, which causes an extra electricity, and POTS, which is postural orthostatic tachycardia syndrome. And unfortunately, as you can see here, I have to have another heart monitor. And so what happened was I went to nurse stasis and everything was good, right? Unfortunately, this is installed wrong. So I'm just going to redo it. And I was like, well, what better way for me to redo it than to record it and show you how? All right, stay tuned, right? All right, so this is E-Patch by BioTel. And what's interesting is normally they come with cell phones, and this is like I saying like probably the seventh time I've had it in the course of 3 years, 2 years, no 2 years, in the course of 2 years. But it's not installed correctly, so I'm gonna fix it. Oh. Ah. Ah. You know what? I was supposed to take off the what's his face first, the little piece guy here. But the way you take it off, right here, if it doesn't want to do, you just pop it and it slides right out. So we're gonna pretend like this is a brand new patch because it will be anyway. All right, so what you'll need is your equipment, some alcohol. I have paper towels because you want to make sure you scrub the area and make sure it's clean. Yeah, so I was diagnosed with Parkinson's White in 2017, in September of 2017. So you want to scrub it. Yeah, scrub it. In October 2017, and the reason why I found out that I had issues was because of my Apple Watch. It's not on right now because I'm charging it. My Apple Watch had alerted me that my heart was racing way too fast. So I was like, holy crap, that is not cool. Let me, figure that out. So I went to the hospital, and at first they thought I was having a panic attack. So they sent me home, and then they had called me back like the next day, and they were like, no, Autumn, I need you to come back and you need to speak to a cardiologist right away because you have what's called Wolff Parkinson White. And I'm like, what the heck is that? I was like, well, basically your heart is making too much electricity, and that's what's causing your heart to race, right? So long story short, I go and get my first ablation, everything's good, and then I move up to higher elevation, and I move up to higher elevation, and now I'm having the supraventricular tachycardia again. Boom, 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 race, 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 and I had heart surgery. Unfortunately, my surgery resulted in me having a blood clot. I had a blood clot in my heart. It was on the safe side, as my doctor says. It was on the safe side. But the left side, my whole left side of my body had went numb. It was extremely, extremely scary because I was 24, The whole side of my body went numb, and then that's when I got diagnosed with the POTS. And I was in a terrible car accident on October 31st of 2019 that also made my POTS even worse. So now when I stand up, as you can see, look, that's my heart rate at the top right there. I am sitting down, I am relaxed, and my heart is at 97. Yeah, 97. Because I have another heart monitor that I'm wearing. But yeah, needless to say, the car crash had totally exacerbated my POTS, and now I can barely eat. When I eat, I go right to sleep. A little story. Sorry about ranting. Anyway, so now this is a little guide. You're supposed to place it right here on your neck. You want to make sure that it's in the center, like this. I don't need the guide because, again, I've done it so many times. But then you take a nice fresh patch, open it. Ow! Oh, that hurts. Open it. And then it has a nice little plastic piece attached to it, like so. So then you take your heart monitor, you push it right in there, and then you want to make sure you hear that click. But you want to put it on a flat surface, and you want to press into it. Click. All right, so now that we have it ready to go, what we want to do is we want to take our little paper thing. Now, depends on which monitor you have. If you don't have the cell phone, you won't have the paper. You have a plastic thing that goes over your neck. Needless to say, it's the same. Ooh, sorry, I just had a palpitation. That's why I'm wearing this bad boy. So you put it right here in the middle. You want to make sure that it's in the center with your collarbone. Oh, right there. Oh, that's not center at all. Okay. Right here. Perfect. Because you want to make sure it goes across like this. Actually, that's not even right. But take this plastic piece off. And then you place it right here. I'm going to make sure it's in that marker, like so. Place it. Press onto it. I like to press it down. I like to press it down, press it down, press it down, press it down. Make sure everything is complete. And then you just rip it off. Boom! Heart monitor. Now this one is different for me because there's no cell phone. So if I want to record an event, I have to double tap. And then it taps green to let me know that it's doing an EKG. It is like absolutely amazing. But I have to wear this bad boy for 5 days. It's a lot better than the 14 that I'm normally used to. It's gonna do ECGs to send over to my electrophysiologist, and then I'll hear from my electrophysiologist in the next week. So thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.